Hello friends, we have concluded yesterday how to make minor PAN card. This is the form 49A which is used for many purposes. One for individual, second for minor PAN card, third firm, fourth trust, fifth association of persons. Okay, now we are going to start about how to fill the minor PAN card form. Minor PAN card form, we want to two photographs. One is here and take signature from father. Another photo is affixed here, to be affixed here, and get the father name, father signature here also. Now we have to put the mark as minor. Therefore, they can identify as it is to be minor card. A minor card will be issued without PAN card, without photo, having the name of minor. In the emblem above the emblem minor as minor. Okay, now we are going to complete the form. This is the form. We have to put the name minor. Name Rama, R-A-M-A, Rama. Father name Rama Krishnan as per Aadhaar card. Rama Krishnan. Child name is Rama, father name is Krishnan. Okay. Second row dash, third row dash, fourth row. What is to be printed on the card? The child name is Rama Krishnan. Rama, father name Krishnan. Rama Krishnan. Where the Rama is one word, Krishnan is other word. The bit in between one space to be given as one column. Second row will be dash. Third para is no. There is no nickname. If it is nickname, you have to submit fulfill the many formalities. That's why you don't do yes. Third is male or female. You have to put tick mark. Male. Rama is male. We have to put male. Date of birth should be given as per birth certificate. 01/08/2012. We have to write here Aadhaar number 12345678-8912. 12 digits. In copy. Copy attached. In copy means copy attached. Father name must be given. Mother name may not be given. The mother name may be given if it is the child is without father. Father is died. When you have to give the name of mother. In case of father is live, you have to give no tick mark. Father name is Krishnan. Krishnan. You have to spell out the name. Why? Because we should not made any mistakes. Second row dash, third row dash. Mother name is no. Father name is tick mark. Put tick mark. Address. Address must be given. Door number 12/2. Daughter, son of Krishnan. One column is meant for one letter. Other letter Rama Street. Ranga Street. Post Ramapuram as Ramapuram. Fourth Taluka Krishnagiri. District Krishnagiri. pin code 123567. Okay, these are example. Country name India, Tamil Nadu. Office name, there is no office name, therefore you have to put cross mark. Next, para 8. You are the residents. That's why you have to put residents. Father name, country code plus 91, being India. STD code as per 1, 2, 3. What is your phone mobile number in hand may please be given as 9821234567 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 digit. You have to check the mobile number. Next, email ID. Email, whatever you have the email ID in capital numbers. Rama dot Krishna at gmail.com. You being the child is minor, you have to put minor instead of individual. Other para 11, no, not required. Para 12 is the put the Aadhaar number here as per Aadhaar number, as in Aadhaar letter. Fourth, dash. Fifth, name as per Aadhaar. You have to put Rama Krishnan as per Aadhaar Krishnan. Why you have to put like Aadhaar card? It will be matched in the UDAI. UADAI UDAI. UDAI data is have the same data, therefore it will match the UDAI data. Second row dash, third row dash. Salary individual children minor, they have no income of minor, therefore put like 20. Others, no representative, therefore cross the bar. Fourth, what you have to attach the document for getting minor PAN card? Aadhaar plus birth certificate. Therefore address as per Aadhaar. Here as per capacity of minor, individual bracket में for my child. Or you have to put minor capacity में father sign कर सकते हैं. Father name is Krishnan. Place Krishnagiri. Father should sign here. Date, whenever you submit the date on which you have to submit the form. (12/09/2021) like this. This is the completion of minor PAN card. Completed. Okay. Next. Firm. What should be firm? Firm is a small factory. Is called also firm, wherein 2 or 20 people, 50 people may be serving there. Therefore, in getting firm PAN card, you have to. There is no need of photo. No need. There is no need of PAN card to photo. Instead of, you have to put the round stamp here, and put the name stamp here. For managing director, managing partner, as for company, for Rama company, Rama firm. Okay, here he should sign. You have to make two stamps, one round stamp, other one is name stamp. Here we have to put Messrs Rama firms. Here Rama firms. Then second para dash, third state. The name of Rama and Sons. Rama and Sons. Here Rama and Sons. Para 3, there is no nickname. No. This is also cut. Male, female, transgender, no. No, cut. All this. This is a company. Company date of birth is when the company is started by the registration letter. The date on which registrar sign is called incorporation of date. It is called date of birth or incorporation of the firm is called 12 September 2022. Registration number, date, copy attached. There is no father name, there is no mother name. Other address given as per the deed. Partnership or firm is done by an auditor having the all details what the business is going on, and as also there is a office address wherein the firm or company is working their business is called company address or address. Put the address, office address here. There is no residence address. Okay. Next they have to put the office address as per given in the deed. Given in the deed. All firms have the deed. All partnership have the deed. All association of person is also have the deed. It may be registered, may not be registered. Whenever the deed is done, the date may please be given here as date of birth. The partnership also say same firm, company, association of person also have the same system. Para second, there may be a office. Tick office mark. Mobile number may please be given. The office firm's email ID also given in capital letter. Whatever status may please be mark tick, company or firm. There is no individual. Partnership, if it is partnership firm, put tick mark. If it is government, put government. If it is association of person is called dairy farm also is also called as association of persons. 4R farmers may be covered by this status. Okay, put mark. Now the registration number may please be given. There is no need of put in their Aadhaar number. Here it is also the Aadhaar there is no, this is not required. This is also not required. This is also what is the business? Either it is profession or business. Profession may please be given in the guidelines given in the UTI TSL. Check it out and put the number as one for doctor, 2 for something. Fourth, next para 14 Kannan.
இப்போ 15 நிமிஷத்துக்கு மேலே போயிட்டுருக்கு.
இருக்கட்டும் இங்கே வந்துட்டேன், அது கட் பண்ணிட்டு போகப்பட்டு. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு இன்கம் ஃப்ரம் ஹவுஸ் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி, தட் மீன்ஸ் இண்டிவிஜுவல் requirement. Next para 14 there is no representative. Fourth, enclosed the deed number or the address deed. Date of birth is also given in the deed. The capacity may be given as company or firm as per applicability. Partnership, put like the signature and put here round stamp. Partnership deed, firm deed, partnership deed is attached. Copy attached. Place Krishnagiri. Date 9/9/2021. Company, to get PAN card for company or firm or partnership, this is the system you have to observe and do.